If I get more speed, I can get it. Alright, I'm gonna try one more time.
No, you have to try until you get it. Is this one shorter?
Oh, lucky. Oh. Okay, I'm gonna do it. Ready?
Yeah.
Hold my arms if I have.
Okay.
Ready?
Come on, you can do it.
Yes. Yes, my sunglasses fell down now. This is good.
Can you take a picture of us up on
That
here?
picture-
Yeah, let me end the video.